Introduction. Welcome. I want to thank you for purchasing this book, 7 Mistakes to Avoid When Investing in the Market. It is a fantastic read that will help you with your investment decision-making. What will you find in this book? Well, rule number 1 is, don't lose money. The big man himself, Warren Buffett, said that. And rule number 2 is to follow rule number 1. Don't lose money in the game. That's why I wrote this book, to help you perfect rule number 1. I spent thousands of dollars on this information, and I have studied for hundreds of hours to deliver this information. I made some mistakes, and I learned from them. So I'm going to walk you through some of those mistakes so that you can avoid them. Yes, you can avoid losing thousands of dollars and save yourself numerous headaches and heartbreaks. I'm here to help you get those 20, 30, 40, 50, and even 60% gains. So all you have to do is avoid making these mistakes. Follow what I do, but not what I did, because Rome did that. So hopefully you won't have to go through that. Chapter 1. Buying High and Selling Low. The first mistake to avoid when investing in the market: buying high and selling low. Let's go. One of the most common mistakes people make when entering the market is buying high and selling low. Sounds crazy, right? Because that's the opposite of what a sane person would do, right? I mean, that's just like going into an electronics store, buying a brand new 8K Ultra HD Smart TV for $4,000, then walking out the store and someone say, "I was just going in to buy that TV. I'll give you $2,000 cash right now." And you say with excitement, "Sold to the man with the braids in his head." Crazy, right? Well, that is precisely the mistake a lot of beginners make with stocks. If there is a buyer, then there must be a seller. Usually in transactions there are winners and losers. So you must understand that stocks go up and down. If you buy in at $45 a share, you like that stock at that price. So if it drops down to $30 a share, you should love that price. You don't want to sell at a discount. It is not time to sell the stock. In fact, it is a perfect opportunity to buy more. Now, if you're in a bad trade and the price is plummeting, that's a different story. But we will cover that later in the book. For now, we just want to focus on not being tricked out of our positions with a great stock. In the hood.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?